abrogate भनेको formally cancel, aghast भनेको shocked horrified, apprise भनेको inform, beguile भनेको deceive in captivating way, boon भनेको good thing, callous भनेको emotionally insensitive, cuddle भनेको treat with excessive care, crescendo भनेको highest point of something, extenuating भनेको lessening the seriousness by providing excuses, frenetic भनेको fast paced, fringe भनेको unconventional, hapless भनेको unlucky unfortunate, immaculate भनेको spotlessly clean, free from errors, obfuscate भनेको obscure or confused, ossify भनेको become unchanging, hardened, inevitable पनि भन्न पायो. Pastiche भनेको a work that either imitates style of multiple works. Perspicacious भनेको keenly understanding. Ponderous भनेको slowly moving, often due to heavy weight. Recalls भनेको person who lives in a self-imposed isolation. Retaliate भनेको take a revenge, take revenge. Rhapsody भनेको an ecstatic expression of feeling, खुसीको. Serendipitous भनेको occurring by chance, in fortunate way. Cynic भनेको avoid. Sinecure भनेको job requiring minimal effect but offering a great salary. Sinuous भनेको having a smooth turns. Sordid भनेको involved in ignoble activities and motives. Stance भनेको reduce the flow. Surfeit भनेको an excessive amount of something. Stance भनेको avoid. Surfeit भनेको an excessive amount of something. Ulterior भनेको concealed. Volleyball भनेको speaking a lot with a great sense.